Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x times 4 power x equal 1 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. Now, as we can know that we have to find the value of x. So our first step is to isolate x. So how can we isolate it? By dividing both sides by x. So it will cancel out. So 4 power x equal 1 by x. Now I am going to multiply in power 1 by x both sides. So this will cancel out. So 4 is equals to 1 by x power 1 by x. Now our one side is in terms of x and other is a numeric. Now 1 by x power 1 by x equal 4. I can write it as 2 square. Now if we compare both sides, 1 by x equal 2. So x equal 1 by 2. So what is the value of x? 1 by 2. I hope each and every step is clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.